Good morning. Today's discussion point is Gutbach, which is known as proctitis in modern science. In previous lecture, we studied the root cause of anorectal disease in children, that is constipation. After that, we studied about the surface anatomy and history taking of the anorectal disorders in children. Later on, we discussed about anal fissure in children, which is one of the anorectal disease for which parents visit to the pediatric OPD. In series of that, the next disease is Gutbach or proctitis, for which parents visit to the pediatric OPD for their child. Gutbach is the first and foremost disease described by Acharya Shushruth. It is as pain and discomfort just after defecation due to the pach. It is a pit dominant disease in which pith get vitiated and cause inflammation. In modern science, it is defined as an inflammation of the rectal mucosa causing discomfort, bleeding, and occasionally a discharge of mucus or the pus, and the anus may also be involved. On seeing etiology, the first and the foremost causes is idiopathic. Second cause is inflammatory bowel disease known as ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease. Both are responsible for this. Basal dysentery, amoebiasis, tuberculosis, proctitis, AIDS, radiation proctitis. What are the clinical features of proctitis or the Gutbach? Fever, malaise along with pain, discomfort, rectal bleeding or discharge. Constipation, as we earlier said, the root cause of anorectal disorder. Tenesmus. What are the examination in Gutbach? The first and foremost examination is rectal examination in Sims position. On seeing rectum, rectal mucosa is swollen and tender. Tender means touch to pain. Next examination is sigmoidoscopy. During sigmoidoscopy, we see red edematous inflammation of mucosa with small ulcer. Now the treatment of Gutbach, as we know, it is a pit dominant disease in which pith becomes vitiated and cause the pach of Guda or the rectum. For this, we ameliorate the vitiated pit, बढ़े हुए पित्त दोष को शांत करें. उसके लिए इंटरनल और एक्सटर्नल यूज ऑफ रसांजन, अभ्यंतर और बाह्य रसांजन का प्रयोग कराएं. रसांजन जीरक पाउडर, जाति पत्र सोयरस को अजा दुग्ध के साथ में पान कराएं. इन मॉडर्न साइंस एंटी माइक्रोबियल्स का यूज कराएं. एंटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी corticosteroids or mesalamines suppositories may relieve symptoms in case of the Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis. In the continuation of the anorectal disorders, next disease is Guttbranch or the rectal prolapse. It is also very common disease in children. Acharya Shushruth described this disease in Nidanistan as a complication of Atisar. It is counted under Chudroga by various says. Rectal prolapse is the abnormal movement of the rectal mucosa down to or through the anal opening. अक्सर हम गांव में भी देखते हैं कि जब बच्चा शौच के लिए जाता है या उसको बार बार अतिसार होने लगता है तो अतिसार के साथ में कई बार कांच आने की समस्या होने लगती है कि बार बार अतिसार जाने के कारण बार बार उसको कांच का आने लगती है. तो यह कॉमन उपद्रव के रूप में हमें अतिसार के रूप में देखने को मिलता है. Incidences 1 to 5 years and chiefly affected at the age of 3. In this picture, we can see how the rectal mucosa comes out. This is partial prolapse, and this is we can see how prolapse is occur. The clinical feature of rectal prolapse is protrusion of reddish mass from the anal opening, especially following a bowel movement. जैसे ही बाउल मूवमेंट होता है उसके बाद में एनल ओपनिंग से एक रेड मास बाहर निकलता है, दैट इज नोन एज रेक्टल प्रोलैप्स। यह दो तरीके का हो सकता है, पार्शियल और कंप्लीट। पार्शियल प्रोलैप्स के अंदर कुछ हिस्सा बाहर आता है और कंप्लीट प्रोलैप्स के अंदर प्रोलैप जो है कंप्लीट रेक्टल जो है वो बाहर आ जाता है। कॉम्प्लिकेशन इज कॉन्स्टिपेशन and malnutrition or malabsorption. The management is treating the underlying cause, whatever the condition which is responsible for rectal prolapse. In children, conservative treatment is digital reposition. That means the rectal mass may be returned to the rectum manually. Second is use of sclerosing agent by 5% phenol, almond oil. Third is use of laxative. And fifth is deworm in the child. After the conservative management, if no response, then we going towards the surgical option. In surgical option, there is correction for complete rectal prolapse. What is the Ayurvedic treatment in rectal prolapse? Is evolution followed by sedation with gentle pressure with fingers over prolapse part, followed by गोफना बंद। स्नेन और स्वेदन करके हल्के हाथ से प्रोलैप्स्ड पार्ट को वापस अंदर रखें और अंदर रख करके गोफड़ा बंद लगाएं। स्थानीय चिकित्सा के रूप में मूषक तेल से मूषक वसा का एप्लीकेशन करें, रसायन का प्रयोग कराएं। इंटरनल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के अंदर अम्लघृत, चांगेरी और चव्याधिघृत, कलनालिनी पत्र, पाउडर विथ शर्करा, रसायन अनवासन वस्ती दे सकते हैं दशमूल क्वाथ के द्वारा, बिल साधित स्नेह के द्वारा, चित्रक साधित स्नेह के द्वारा और वचा साधित स्नेह के द्वारा। थैंक यू।